gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and on this video, I have for you more friend mail. Guys, normally I don't post this many videos in a day unless it's subscription box Saturday, but I really wanted to get all of these videos in, and I wanted to do them separately so they didn't get too long. But this video has friend mail from Life with Lois's. If you guys are not familiar with Lois, she is a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful lady that you need to go check out. She has all kinds of fun stuff going on her channel. Some of her passions are gardening and cooking, so she has all kinds of stuff that she does. She does unboxings, just a ton of various different things, and I am so very pleased that she is one of my friends. So without further ado, let's see what she sent to me this time. Okay, guys, so woo! Here's my box. I didn't know if I could throw it or not. Guess it worked out. Guys, look how lovely this is. This is like her little trademark with the grass and the flowers. Love it. It is so super cute. So if you guys are wondering, by the way, why I'm all decked out in blue, it is in support of Autism Awareness Month. If you guys didn't catch any of my other videos, that's the reason why. All right, let's dig into this. I was expecting this. She did let me know that she was sending me something. She told me that she was going to wait, but then she decided to go ahead and send it anyway. So I'm really curious what it is. All right, let's go ahead and cut around this to get to what's in here. Looks like something stuck to the top there. Alrighty, dighty. Let's dig in. Oh, how nice. Ooh! There's like a lot of stuff in here. Lois! That's too much! You are spoiling me. I mean, spoiling me. Look at how awesome this is, guys. There's a little sneak peek of what I'm seeing. Let's go ahead and see what her card says. Amber, thank you for being you. Oh, thank you, Lois. Even though I'm a little off the wall and crazy, right? Have a blessed day, week, and year. Amber, now this is purple for your favorite color. I pray this one fits you. Your friend Lois Near. Oh, that's awesome. Look at the flower, guys. Loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, purple. Let's see. All right, we'll start with this in this lovely blue bag here. Let's see what she's got going on in here. It looks like so much fun and totally me. Oh, yes, guys. Yes, we have a couple of... Oh, yes. I mean, yes. Just a little bit of dust on that one. Yes. Hello. How cute is that, guys? That is adorable. I mean, it is adorable. Well, I have to put it lower on my hand so I can actually button it. But I'll button it there. No, I need it on the next one, it looks like. And I have to do this myself because, you know, I live with an idiot. Awesome! Ah, I love it! I mean, I love it! I really love it. Ah! And then we have another one, guys. How fun is this? Looks like it's another cheetah print that's like hot pink. What? Guys, I mean, hello. I love it. Love it. Sorry, guys. I'm going to take the time to put it on. I'm just saying. If you guys don't want to watch, don't watch. I'm not going to be able to get this one on, though. It's giving me a little bit of trouble. Well, no, take that back. As soon as you say that, things work. It's like you have to tell yourself that it's not going to work in order to make it work. Does that make sense? Sure, it doesn't. That's all right. I never make sense. Awesome. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Love it. Okay, that is so super fun. I'll definitely reuse that bag. Let's see what's in here. Awesome, awesome. Today's prayer. Oh, she sent me a prayer card. She was reading these on her channel. I thought they were so super fun. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. Lamentations? Did I say it right? 3:22. Here you go, guys. There's a picture. You know, I'm one of those people that read the Bible but don't interpret the Bible. So I kind of have to do one of those ones where they read it to you and explain what it is you just read. Does that make sense? Sure hope so. All right, that's cool. I'm going to keep that. And then we have some Milano dark chocolate Pepperidge Farm cookies. Hello. Guys, these sweets don't make it very long in my house. They just don't. I have to hide them from, you know, the idiot I live with so that I can eat them. But that's awesome. So awesome. Okay, and I'm not talking about my son when I say the idiot I live with. Just want to clarify that. Okay, so now we have, oh, these are fun. Peanut butter flavored filling Ritz crackers, guys. I got a couple packs of those. That sounds so delicious right now. Like I want to pop it open and eat it, but I won't. I'll finish unboxing and I'll eat when I'm done. Then we have, a couple more of the cookies, the Milano cookies. Yes! So I could share, but you know what? I probably won't. All right, so let's move on to this. Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, it's like, oh, that was my iPad. Awesome. It's in a case, like it didn't break or nothing. I would be a little more upset if that was the case. Oh my gosh, what do we got going on here? Oh my God, this is so awesome. And it's long. Pamela McCoy collection. How beautiful is this? You guys aren't seeing it. Okay, so it's a Pamela McCoy collection. Let's show you that. Look at this. Look at this fire. Fire. Guys, oh my gosh, and it goes all the way to my ankles. I mean, what? What? Lois, this is amazing. I mean, this is really amazing and so my style. I'm assuming it's faux fur. I sure hope so because, you know, I love my animals. I don't want them killed for unnecessary reasons. But this is beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, it's so beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm definitely going to try this on for you guys because you're not going to get the full view of me putting this on in here, the setup that I currently have. God, this feels like butter. I mean, it feels like butter. Lois, oh my God, you were totally spoiling me. I mean, you are really spoiling me. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, I have nothing like this. Nothing at all like this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, guys. Like, I could just sit here and look at it, but that would be kind of a boring video. So, I'm going to sign off, but I'm going to try this on for you guys. So make sure that you stay tuned at the very end when I have my try on. But I want to send a huge, heartfelt, thank you to Lois. This was really sweet of you to do, Lois. You already sent me some lovely, awesome things that both me and my family got use out of. This was a very unexpected treat. You know, it really is. I can't thank you enough. God, I'm so excited about that. All right, guys, I'm definitely going to try that on. I'm going to munch on all this awesome stuff that she sent to me. So that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and oh my gosh, I'm not kidding. Either I'm standing too close, maybe that's what it is, because I feel like this tripod's going to, you guys aren't going to see this, except maybe in the bloopers. What the heck? Let's just do it. It is in support of Autism Awareness Month. So without further ado, did I say who it was from? I don't think I did. No, don't think I did. Awesome. Try it again. Guys, I normally don't post this many videos on any given day unless it's surprise. Subscription box Saturday. Ba-dum-bum. All right. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you more friend mail. That went well. This makes no sense, and you guys are definitely going to think I'm crazy as hell. Let's try that again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you more friend mail. Why can't I do that? All right, I'm not doing this. I'll do it now. Guys, I don't normally post this many videos unless it's a subscription box Saturday. Why can't I say that? Oh my gosh. This is all going to be outtakes. Maybe I won't film it. I want to see what's in the box. I'm filming it.